That is the sound of revolutionary power. For years, the Mac Mini has been the understated hero of Apple's desktop lineup, a silent powerhouse tucked away on millions of desks. But prepare yourselves. The whispers have grown into a roar, and the upcoming Mac Mini M5 is not just an iteration. It's a seismic shift poised to rewrite the rules of compact computing. We are talking about a machine that will take the breathtaking efficiency of Apple Silicon and push it into a realm previously reserved for massive, power-hungry towers. The Mac Mini M5 is coming, and based on the most credible leaks and insider projections, it's not just going to be fast. It's going to be unfairly fast. Let's dive straight into the engine room, the M5 chip itself. This is where the magic happens. We've seen the M1, the M2, and the incredible M3 series, each offering generational leaps. The M5, according to reliable supply chain sources, will introduce a radical new core architecture, potentially leveraging a third generation of Apple's performance and efficiency cores. The sheer CPU uplift is projected to be nothing short of staggering, an estimated 25% to 35% gain in single-core performance over the M3 generation. This translates to instantaneous responsiveness, effortless multitasking, and compilation speeds that will feel like cheating. But for the creative professionals, the real game-changer lies in the GPU. Leaks suggest the M5 Pro and M5 Max variants in the Mac Mini will feature a massively expanded neural engine and a GPU with substantially more execution units. We're talking about desktop-class graphics performance packed into a 7-inch square box. Imagine rendering complex 3D scenes, editing 8K ProRes video streams, or training machine learning models at speeds that previously required a $5,000 graphics card. The unified memory architecture, another key area of improvement, is rumored to support even higher capacities and faster bandwidth, eliminating the notorious bottlenecks that plague traditional PC builds. This is a leap in graphical capability that will solidify the Mac Mini M5's place as the definitive creative powerhouse for the modern era. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the design. The current Mac Mini is aesthetically pleasing, but it's time for a refresh. The latest design patents and component schematics hint at a thinner, more refined enclosure. Picture the current Mini, but sleeker, potentially with a slight curve or a tiered design to improve cooling efficiency without sacrificing its iconic small footprint. This thinner profile is crucial, as it hints at further miniaturization of components and improved thermal management, a testament to the M5 chip's incredible efficiency. And speaking of cooling, this is a non-negotiable for Pro users. Rumors indicate the M5 Mini will feature an entirely passive cooling option for the base M5 chip, absolute silence, even under heavy load. For the M5 Pro and M5 Max models, expect a redesigned high-efficiency vapor chamber or heat pipe system paired with an ultra-quiet, low-profile fan. This isn't just about keeping the chip cool. It's about maintaining peak performance for hours on end, ensuring your 3D renders or lengthy video exports never hit a thermal wall. Silence and sustained power. That's the M5 promise. Connectivity is another major pain point that Apple is rumored to be addressing aggressively. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to finally